In this video, we're going to take a look at really how do you create a strong student path. And to do that, we're going to start over on the far left side of our course, modules. As you can see, we've got a bunch of modules here to help you process along the way. I do have them numbered here just for myself, but this may be helpful to students having them numbered, like go to module number 2, organizing the student path. So as you see, we have a bunch of pages or things inside of a module. But how do we create one? If you look in the upper right side of the Canvas course, it's going to say plus module. So we can click that and give it a name. So if you look here, you can see it's very clearly lined out. If you look at the title of the module, you know most likely what it's going to contain. Once you've named your module, click Add Module. Scroll all the way to the bottom. That's where they put the newest module. You're going to see it's been created for us. A few things to know. On the far right, we have this little button here. If you got the cross-out symbol, means nothing, the module, or anything else inside of it can be seen. So if I click this, you're going to see a couple different options. So if I clicked Publish Module Only, students could see there's a module called this, but they would not be able to see anything inside. Much like if I add a page here and the module is not published, kids cannot see the page inside because the module has not been published. If I click the plus symbol, that's going to allow us to put a bunch of things inside the module. So I'm going to click and I can choose, let's say, text header. Double check these settings. So this is the text header. There's nothing for students to do with this, but it's going to say anything else underneath this, say a page or something else, is going to deal with double checking settings. As you notice though, I added a page, a resource, and you're going to see right here, there's a cross-out symbol again. I could click and it's going to publish. So now students can see this and the resource inside. In upcoming modules, you'll learn a few additional things, but you're always going to come back to a module, click the plus symbol, choose what you want to add, say a page, and then you click Create New Page or Create Page, and you can name it. Here's all the other pages I've already created within my Canvas course, so I could reuse one of them if need be. I can also choose this and say I want to indent that new page, say 2 levels in, to create that aesthetic look when students view, so they can see what a heading is, and then indent to, say, a page or another resource. I'm going to click Cancel and scroll up so you can see something. Actually, I'm going to hide this. Now I can click and say drag and put this all the way at the top. That's another way that we can help organize this for students. So now when students log in and go to modules, this is the first thing they're going to see is publishing our Canvas course, because that's the newest module and that's the one I want them to focus on. So think of it, chapter 6. So setting up your modules is like giving students a really good map. But then inside of the module, that's where you're going to add the materials, which are going to come next to help the students understand how to move through that unit or chapter.